What's up, guys? Hope you're having a great weekend. Was potential exculpatory DNA evidence withheld by the prosecutors? And let's get into it. First up, we know that there were 4 alternate perpetrators: 1, 2, 3, and 4. We do not know the identities of these people, but Judge Hippler gave us some intel as follows. 3 of the 4 alternate perpetrators were socializing with the victims earlier that evening. They all lived within walking distance of 1122 King and were seemingly aware of the layout of the home. The 4th was named from a, quote, stalker incident caught on CCTV, where a gentleman noticed and followed a victim out of a store, did not ever make contact with that victim, but herein was named as an alt perp. Now, this is where it gets interesting, so please listen carefully. As we know, Judge Hippler denied the alternative perpetrator defense. And in doing so, he stated, quote, lab reports excluded all 4 alt perps DNA from the samples taken from the crime scene and victims. What we just learned is that law enforcement did compare the 4 alt perps DNA to the swabs at the crime scene, but not all of them. We now know that law enforcement excluded or cleared these 4 alt perps by taking DNA samples from each one of them, but the prosecution could not provide lab reports comparing those 4 alt perps DNA to unknown male B, C, or D, 2 of which are confirmed male blood DNA samples, one found on an interior handrail and the other found on a glove outside. So this all begs the question, why couldn't the prosecution provide those lab reports? Did they just forget? Or perhaps did they deliberately withhold exculpatory evidence? Talk to me.